A very good morning and a warm welcome. Let's continue with a new chapter. Chapter 21. Busy at work are internal organs. Let's recall the internal parts of our body. Brain, heart, stomach, kidney, large intestine, small intestine, lungs, liver, bladder. Our body is a very complex machine. In this chapter, we will study how processes like respiration, digestion go on inside the body continuously with the help of certain organs. Let us learn something about these processes and the organs that carry them out. We need air, water, and food to live. It is necessary for the body to get a continuous supply of oxygen. We get this oxygen from the air through breathing. That is why we breathe continuously. In our body, there are organs that carry out the work of respiration. The diagram above shows our respiratory organs. The respiratory organs are nose, trachea, also known as windpipe, lungs, and diaphragm. When we inhale, the air from outside goes into the trachea and through its branches into the lungs. In the lungs, these branches divide further into smaller and smaller branches, as you can see in this picture. At the end of the last branches, there are air sacs or alveoli. What is an alveoli? Alveoli is a word used for hollow cavities, which are empty areas within a body. Between the thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity, there is an organ like a flexible sheet. It is called the diaphragm. The diaphragm and its movement. In the first inhale picture, you can see the chest expands and the diaphragm contracts. In the second exhale picture, you can see the chest contracts and diaphragm relaxes. When the diaphragm moves downward, we breathe in and the incoming air fills the alveoli in the lungs. When the diaphragm moves upwards, air in the lungs is pushed out. Exchange of gases. When the outside air reaches the alveoli, the oxygen in it passes into the thin blood vessels around the alveoli. With the blood, it is carried to all parts of the body At the same time, the carbon dioxide that is brought by the blood from all parts of the body enters the air in the alveoli. When we exhale, the carbon dioxide is also given out with the air. In this way, an exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases take place in the alveoli. Thank you, girls, for listening. This chapter will be continued in the next session.